To find the perimeter of this figure, I'm first going to count all of the horizontal and vertical lines. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Now these lines I can't just count around because they are diagonal lines. I need to use the Pythagorean theorem to help me figure out what the length of these lines are. To do that, I first need to figure out what sides A and B will be for this line. If this is the hypotenuse, then we can come down here and here to make a right triangle. This could be side length A, and this would be side length B. This would be side length C. A and B both have side lengths of 1. So 1 squared plus 1 squared is going to be equal to C squared. And 1 squared is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equal to C squared. And C is equal to the square root of 2. So here, I know that this side length is the square root of 2. And now I need to do the same to find this side length. I need to create a right triangle. And we'll call this side length A, this side length B. A has a side length of 1. B has a side length of 2. And that will help us find C. One squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, so 1 plus 4 is 5. So C squared is equal to 5, and C will be equal to the square root of 5. Now you can use your calculator to add up all of these side lengths. To add up all the side lengths, say 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus the square root of 2, which when I used my calculator, I estimated that to be about 1 41/100ths, plus the square root of 5, which when I used my calculator, I estimated that to be about 2 24/100ths. That means that this total perimeter is 12 65/100ths.